Now here's a really simple example of an algebraic expression, and what it basically says is I'm thinking of a number, let's call this x, and if I subtract 7 of this number I will get 6. So how can I figure out what this x is? Now the formal way how we can do that is we use the concept of inverse mathematical operations. Inverse mathematical operation. What does that mean? Well, the inverse operation of subtracting something would be adding something. The inverse operation of adding something to a number would be subtracting. And likewise, the inverse operation of multiplying something would be dividing by it, and inverse operation of dividing would be just simply multiplication. So what does that mean for our example? What we want to have eventually is something where it says x equals a number here. So what we want to have is all the x terms are on one side, usually the left hand side, and everything that is not x on the right hand side. So what we want to do is we want to move this term -7 to the other side. And I will indicate it like this. So how can I do that? Now what I can do is, and I'll write it down here again, x minus 7 equals 6. What I can do is I do the inverse mathematical operation of -7. And I indicate that by the inverse operation of minus, that is plus, and I add the same number, +7 here. So I do that. So what do we get then? So I've got x minus 7, and I add +7 on the left hand side. And what I do to the left hand side, I also need to do to the right hand side. So I have 6 plus 7. And we see the +7 has been added to both sides. So that's what we've got here. Now, what have we got on the left hand side? We've got x minus 7 plus 7. And that actually gives us 0. And we don't need to write this 0. What have we got on the right hand side? We've got 6 add 7, so we've got 13. So that would be the solution for this algebraic expression, and we can very easily figure out whether this is correct. So if we put in 13 take away 7, we would get 6, and that is certainly a true expression. Now let's try this with a slightly different example. So here we've got an unknown number and we add 3 to it and get 9. So how do we find or convert that into x equals something? Well, what we need to do, x plus 3 equals 9. What we need to do is we need to do the inverse mathematical operation of plus, that is negative, and we take this number, -3. So on the left hand side we've got x plus 3 minus 3 equals 9 minus 3, because what we do on the left hand side we also need to do on the right hand side. And what we see is that +3 and -3 this gives 0 again, and we don't need to write that. So we've got x equals 9 minus 3 gives 6. And we can do the quick check. So we've got 6 plus 3, and that gives us 9, which we had up here. So we know that our result x equals 6 is correct. So I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.